Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the new exclusive news has surfaced on the network. The long-awaited new Galaxy A series family member is now officially confirmed. According to the latest available data, the new Samsung Galaxy A77 5G will revive the popular mid-range lineup. The smartphone will receive powerful hardware upgrades and features from the Galaxy S24 flagship. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy A lineup has been rapidly shrinking year after year. The top-of-the-line A90 and A80 series were discontinued. After the very first model, the Galaxy A82 was planned, but was released only in Korea and under a different name, as was the China-only A60 series. After the A42, the A40 series was discontinued, and a year later, the Galaxy A73 became the last member of the A70 series. But it seems Samsung plans to at least reverse this trend somewhat. Geekbench has released new benchmark results for the Samsung Galaxy A77 under the model number SM-A776B, which marks the rebirth of the A70. According to the published data, the smartphone will feature 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and an unannounced Samsung chipset with the index number S25 FE. This chipset will feature the proprietary Xclipse 940 GPU, the same one found in the Exynos 2400 and 2400E, found in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, S24, S25 FE and Z Flip 7 FE. The CPU will be 10-core, and with a rather strange architecture, 3 performance cores at 2.78 GHz, 3 more mid-range cores at 2.3 GHz, and finally, 4 energy-efficient cores at 1.82 GHz. Even more surprising is the chip index. The S5E988X number was officially used only for the Exynos 1080, S5PE9815, which was used in the Vivo X60 and X60 Pro, as well as several other Chinese smartphones. However, the Tensor G1 and Tensor G2 chips had very similar indexes, S5P9845 and S5P9855. Thus, the processor for the Galaxy A77 will most likely occupy an intermediate position between the Exynos 2600, S5E9965, and Exynos 1680, S5E8865, receiving approximately the same positioning as the Exynos 1080 and the Google Tensor series. It is expected that the new Galaxy A77 will launch in March 2026, alongside the Galaxy A57 and A37 models. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.